In this next video of the lesson, Documentation, Policy Condition 2, we will learn about non-forfeiture provisions. Here we will cover the following concepts. When a policy lapses, the policyholder has several choices under the Insurance Act, which are known as non-forfeiture options, such as eligibility of surrender value, making the policy paid up, keeping the policy in force through advanced premiums, and providing term insurance cover from the surrender value. The law in India provides that if premiums have been paid for at least 3 consecutive years, there shall be a guaranteed surrender value. If the policy has not been surrendered, it shall subsist as a policy with a reduced paid-up value. Let us now understand how the surrender value of a life insurance policy is calculated. Life insurers normally have a chart that lists the surrender values at various times. This chart also gives the method that will be used for calculating the surrender values. The formula takes into account the type and plan of insurance, age of the policy, and the length of the policy's premium paying period. The amount the policyholder ultimately receives is the net surrender value. Surrender value is a percentage of paid-up value, and the surrender value that arrived as a percentage of premiums paid is called guaranteed surrender value. Sometimes the actual amount of cash one gets in hand on surrender may be different from the surrender value amount prescribed in the policy. This is because of the following items that may cause addition or subtraction from the surrender value. First, paid-up additions. Second, bonuses or dividend accumulations. Third, advance premium payments. Fourth, gaps in premiums. And fifth, policy loans. Next, let's learn about policy loans. Life insurance policies that accumulate a cash value also have a provision to grant the policyholder the right to borrow money from the insurer by using the cash value of the policy as a security for the loan. The policy loan is usually limited to a percentage of the policy's surrender value, say 90%. Insurers usually charge interest on policy loans, which are payable semi-annually or annually. If the interest charges are not paid, they become a part of the policy loan and are included in the loan outstanding. Let us now understand what will happen if the policyholder does not pay the interest on loan and the future premium amounts after taking the loan. In such a scenario, the policy becomes lapsed. When no new premiums are forthcoming, a situation can arise where the amount of outstanding loan plus unpaid interest becomes greater than the amount of the policy's cash value. In this case, the insurer will foreclose the contract. Notice is to be given to the policyholder before the insurance company resorts to foreclosure. The policy is terminated and subsisting cash value is adjusted to loan and interest that is outstanding. Any excess amount may be paid to the policyholder. A policy loan is different from an ordinary commercial loan in 2 respects. First, in policy loan, the policy owner is not legally obligated to repay the loan. She can repay all or part of the loan at any point of time she chooses. Whereas in commercial loan, borrower is legally obligated to repay the lender. Second, no credit check is required in policy loan. Since the insurer does not really lend her own funds to the policyholder, it is not necessary to perform a credit check on the debtor. Whereas in commercial loan, the creditor does a thorough credit check on the debtor. Thank you.